I got a new window and gasket. I asked my daughter for some help. She enjoyed doing it, so she ended up doing the whole window. So I didn't have the suction cup handles, so I made some handles out of duct tape. I didn't order the ball end tool, so I made my own. For the ball nose tool, I just used my angle grinder and ground around it like this, and then ground the top as a ball.
Why do you want
Got the window in. Next, we got to put the beadlock in. I purchased this beadlock installation tool. There it is, all done. Brand new window.